Oh my god. Burger. So good. Baconator challenge, day 2.
Okay, people, I always move my scale to this one tile when I'm going to weigh myself, and I try to put my phone at the end. Hopefully it's still recording. $237.6, so I'm down 1 pound. I'm going to get off. Make sure I put it right here at the edge. Get back on. 237.6. And today it is the second day, day number 2 of the Keto Diamonds Baconator Challenge. And on day 1, as you saw just now on the scale, I am down exactly 1 pound. Every time I'm doing a video, this bird has to try to get in on it. Anyways, so yeah, I'm in my kitchen right now. It's actually 2:26. I had just woken up just a tad before 2. So I'm a little peckish, but not exactly right there yet. And I got some things that are going to be going on in a little bit. And so, yeah, it's 97 degrees out here in Florida. And if I'm not losing the weight because of eating Baconators, I might be losing the weight because I'm melting. But aside from that, yes, the AC is on. I'm going to be cleaning out the vent in just a moment because having pets and whatnot, you have to keep your AC system running as best as you possibly can. You have to clean it out and clean the vent and the filter and all that good stuff. So that's what's going to be happening in the next hour or so, I hope. And I don't know if I'm going to make it that long. I may or may not just cook me a Baconator. We'll have to see. But in any case, I wanted to come on here, let you guys know. Let me see. I went to sleep. I want to say I went to sleep at about 5. No, it was 6. It was about 6 this morning. Yeah, it was about a little after 6 maybe. So from 6 to almost 2, I would say is it's almost 8 hours. I'll take it. I don't usually get that much sleep, especially lately, so I'll take it. And I didn't have a nightmare, so I'm good. And my new glasses, my new readers. What else can I tell you guys? I don't know. It's going to be fun because if I'm just making Baconators, it can't, not that it can't, but it's not really going to be that different from day 1's video where you see me making the Baconator, other than I now have the Great Value brand pure beef patties that are 73. Why can't I count from 73.17? Is that what it is? Or 75.25. No, it's 75.25. Right. So the only thing different is going to be the fact that I now have the Great Value all beef or pure beef patties that are 75.25. I have the Great Value processed cheese slices that Joni eats, and same bacon as yesterday. It's 80 calories for 3 slices. And the mayonnaise is Hellmann's, as I choose to use and will continue to choose to use because I grew up on Hellmann's. And after looking and comparing the ingredients and whatnot for the video that I did for yesterday's day number 1 of the challenge, I don't think I want all the extra stuff that Duke's has in it. So I'm not even considering trying Duke's. I don't know. I'm one of those people that live on intuition, and I have it's called acute intuition or very sensitive intuition, and I'm usually spot on with stuff. And for some reason, looking on the shelves of my grocery stores and seeing Dukes in the past, I've always steered clear of it. So that being said, I don't know that there is a reason or not a reason, but at least for me, I'm going to stay away from it and keep doing what I've been doing. And I'm down 1 pound today, so I'm really, really super happy about that. And yeah, I'll touch in here and there and try to get another video out to you guys, hopefully tonight. I mean, my days start late, as you guys can see, so by the time I'm on day 2, you're just going to be getting day 1. I've uploaded it, but hopefully it went well and I can go in there, make sure it did, and then make it public, because I have a habit of uploading videos with weird things happening in them and whatnot, and that's got to stop. I don't know why. I guess because I don't do as many videos as I once did, so I'm a little rusty at making videos. Anyways, guys, talk to you later. Look at the burger. Why does it look like I'm missing something? 2 all beef patties, special sauce, bacon on a bacon and burger with no bun. Yum. Dinner time. It is 10:23 in the evening. I'm going to eat this, baby.